Final video. We've covered menu setup, events, and order management. Now let's talk about the FESI POS app for iPhone, your portable checkout system. This app lets you take orders in person, accept payments with tap to pay, and manage your working day from your pocket. Let's check it out. You might ask, I have the web dashboard. Why do I need the app? Great question. The mobile app opens the doors for you to take contactless payments directly on your device without the need for an external card reader. It also handles disabling menu items quickly if your stock has run out. It also means you don't need to be stuck behind a laptop for managing your orders. It's not a replacement for the web dashboard. They work together. Use both. The app is called FESI POS, and it's available on the App and Play stores. You will require a device that allows NFC receiving, which on iPhone would be an iPhone 10 or newer. You also have to have already set up your account online before you can sign in. Once you have logged in, you'll see the main dashboard screen. Let's start with Profile. On your profile, you can see the details that we have stored for you at FESI. Should you need to, this is where you can log out of the device. Next, let's look at event management. This is a basic rundown of the event management tool on the dashboard. You can update events and set yourself open or closed from here. Next, there is the Quick menu. This is where you can quickly enable or disable your menu options. Really handy if you are running low on stock and need to quickly stop items from being ordered. Orders, much the same as the web app dashboard. Here is a handy, quick way to update your orders and see an order's details. POS. This is where the app really shines. From here, you can add items to an order from a customer and select their customizations. You can add customer details for them to receive a receipt for the transaction and get informed once an item is ready. There is even an area to add a tip. Then choose their payment method, take cash payment directly, or select tap to pay. This will then set up your phone into a card reader. Once the device is ready, holding their contactless payment method to the top of the device will take payment. Once a payment has successfully been transferred, then the order will appear in your order queue. That's it. In these videos, we've covered a lot of ground, from managing your menu's categories, additional options, and the items themselves, to setting up events and managing and taking orders. You should now be ready to start with FESI.